Hey there, this is Stef Grandgi at stefgrandgi.com, and today I'm going to review a product called Local Fee Finder that will allow local service providers to pre-qualify prospects to get the maximum dollars for the service they offer. So I'm here in sunny Thailand and hope you are well. So follow my review. See you inside. Let's take a look at the sales letter. Is this X-ray vision for consultants? Busy local consultants forced to develop a magic client intake software. New local fee finder lets consultants pre-qualify clients instantly and turn $1,000 clients into $3,500 clients without doing any more work. How is that possible?
Thanks so much for stopping by our page. If you watch this whole video, you're going to see how you can get better clients at higher fees almost instantly. See, we're excited today to announce the launch of Local Fee Finder. See, when Nick and I first started our local consulting businesses right here on beautiful Maui, Hawaii, we really struggled with prospecting. We spent a lot of time chasing prospects that ended up not being able to afford us, weren't ready to get started right away, and generally were just kind of a pain. We realized there was something missing, and we discovered it was pre-qualifying our clients. When you pre-qualify a client, you know they're ready to go, that they can afford you, that they're ready to get started, and they're going to be a good client to work with. So we started looking for ways to pre-qualify our clients, and the problem is we're not really born salesmen, and so it was really hard to try to pre-qualify a client face-to-face in the meeting. Like, we're trying to build rapport, we're trying to close the deal, but we're also trying to ask them questions like, what's your budget? Which the client, by the way, does not want to answer because they think it gives them a disadvantage. So it was really a struggle. Then we decided to add intake forms to our agency website, and these forms pre-qualified the prospect for us. The minute we got a form in that had a budget range that was almost 3 times what we were currently charging, we realized we had hit on something huge. So we developed our own custom software to build professional intake forms specific for local consultants and digital media agencies. We call it Local Fee Finder. And when you add Local Fee Finder to your agency website, in just a couple of clicks, you'll have high quality pre-qualifying forms on your website that will get you deals faster and land you higher fees. Now, pre-qualifying is just one part of the equation, and so we didn't just...
Okay, sounds great, huh? How easy or difficult is it to use this software? Of course, that's a great tool because instead of waiting for phone calls and speak for hours to people who are not interested in the service or are just shopping for best prices, the system and website will do the pre-qualifying for you. Let's dive in. We are now on my website where I created a full review and where I added all my bonuses and feedback. We already talked about the claim and title. This bonus page will expire in 3 days. If you want to take action and order via my link, you will get a lot of nice bonuses. We will talk about this a bit later. First, to summarize, what is Local Fee Finder all about? It's basically a combination of 2 major components that are going to help local service providers finding quality prospects and clients. This with less efforts and providing much better return. So what are those 2 components? The Local Fee Finder plugin, simply install it on your website. It will create custom forms that the prospect will fill in instead of contacting you directly. As a result, it will save you a ton of time and money selecting only pre-qualified prospects. And the second component is a top-notch pricing training with 4 modules. The pricing psychology, pricing presentation, what to do when prospect's budget is too low. Finally, pricing templates and worksheets are included. Imagine if you already knew what your prospects were willing to pay and what they were looking for in your services, what they were comparing your service to, how open they were to sharing the information, and what their likely expectations were. Your relationship with prospects will change, become easier, and lead to things like this. Simply create forms with very specific questions and you will get straight answers. And sometimes you will see directly how much you can get and how much money you will make. Like here, the budget is from 3K to 5K, and in the end, they made a deal of $6,800 in the upsells. Stop wasting time dealing with the wrong prospect clients. Local Fee Finder plugin automates the process. There is less friction than doing it face-to-face or on the phone. Let's take a look at my bonuses. In this package, I created 6 custom bonuses that are perfect for people who will deal with local clients. Those are 6 flyer packages. Each package is an exclusive collection of 5 premium niche flyer templates covering various popular local niches. Each of these flyers included with the original PSD file, and the product cover source file is included as well, giving you complete customization capabilities. Here is my package number 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. Plus the vendor bonus. The fast action bonus is the local fee finder in action, turning leads into customers. How to get $10,000 client case study. Local Fee Finder consists of 2 separate things. The software, which is a plugin that you will install and that will add forms on your website, and the advanced training that we will talk about a bit later. Back to the software itself, if I go to the website, this is a test website. As you can see, it could be any local web page based on WordPress. You can have menus that you will add on the top. In this case, they only added the discovery forms, and here you have several different services that you want to promote. And you want people to fill in the forms that will pre-qualify them, and we will get rid of the clients that don't qualify at first. Maybe they don't have enough money, maybe they are too lazy to fill in the forms. That's less phone calls that we get and more money that we will get later because we don't lose our time as well. The idea and advantages is to have fees going up, less resistance, more inside information about the clients or prospects, and using the plugin that will help all this process going smoothly. Less phone calls, less emails that we have to reply to and that lead to absolutely nothing. Okay, let's have a look. If we say our customer would be interested in SEO discovery, in SEO services, okay, you have your own page that you will customize explaining the service like a standard page, and below or anywhere you want, you will add a short code and there will be a form to fill in where you will add your own fields. The ones with stars will be mandatory, and then you have different steps. So they will have here to fill in their name, email, phone, website, and so on. Once this is done, they will go to the next page. It could be about how much budget they have, etc., etc. It's very easy and straightforward to install. I only watched 5 minutes of the training and I would be able to create my own page and my own fields, or to use a template. Let's have a quick look. I will create a short page, a dummy page with a kind of stupid example for sure, but let's have some fun and see how easy it is. I'm now in the WordPress administration section on the back end, and this is how it looks. Basically, there is a section for the local fee finder where you have the settings. There will be a full training, and don't worry, it's not me doing the training. It will be much better than what I do because I only worked on it for 5 minutes and I already understood how it works. This will be the email where the form will be sent once filled in. Basically your company email or contact email. Then you will get a success message when they fill in the form. Here, thank you for reaching out. Our team will review your project and contact 24 hours. Okay, you could save and reinstall if you would change it. Then the form fields, those are predefined and you will be able to use them, but you will be able to add new forms as well. And we will just have some fun and make some tests later. So basically, add a new form will be from here or here. Then the forms, those were the forms we saw before on the website. Here on the top, you have the discovery form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the ones in this setup. Okay. All right. I will create a brand new page and I will add a menu with only one section, a dummy section for Stef Grandgi, and add a form as well. And you will see how easy it is. First, I will go to a page and create a new page. Okay, in my example, I created a brand new page as a dummy example, just with some text, a logo, our service deliver the best results for our business that already blah 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 1, 2, 3, and then we only work with a small number of SEO clients to ensure our complete focus to detail and achieving results for our clients. So fill out the form below. And now I will create a brand new form. I could add a form that they have in their template, but just for the example's sake, let's create a brand new one, right? For this, we will go to the local finder menu and add new form fields to start with. Of course, I could use one of those, and there are many, but just for the example's sake, add a new form field, and then you can have a text box, your name, website, email, phone, checkbox, radio button. Let's say that I will use a radio button. I will make it mandatory. I will have the options to say yes, okay, and add another option that says no. Hello manual input. If I use that one, there will be some text. Let's try it. Okay, I publish. Now this form field has been published, and I will create a new form, a simple form where it will be Stef Grandgi. That's the shortcode I should add in my page later. For the form fields, now I can add fields, okay? Let's say that if I don't use the templates, I will simply find my field. That's here. Do you like Stef Grandgi reviews? That will be the first one. And then let's try to see what we get. Let me pause the form. Okay, it's pretty simple. I added a few fields here. Your name, your email, phone. Then next step to go to the next page. Tell us about your business. Why should your customer buy from you rather than another? If you want to add more, you can add steps and simply choose from the drop-down menu. Okay, simple. Let's publish. Okay, post published. The only thing I need to do is to copy this shortcode and go back to the page. I should have enclosed it, all pages. Let me find it. Okay, edit. And then simply paste the code here and publish or update. How easy is that? Now view page. Okay, this is my page with my text, my logo. Do you like Stef Grandgi? Yes, no. Let's say yes. Or if I don't want, I could put something else. Yeah. Very nice reviews for a non-speaking, for a non-English speaking native. Okay, you got the idea. So I won't fill in all the things because it will take forever. And there is full training for that. Now, let's say that if I would like to add them here, I should add my form in the menu. Let's go like that. Now, if I'm going to menus, then I should add this to the menu. My Stef Grandgi local fee finder, add to menu, and let's put it as a sub item. Okay, save menu. Now, if I go back to the site and refresh, okay, this is the main page. If we go to the discovery form, I just added my sub menu, my form in there, and they would go directly to my page. You see how easy it is? That was it. I only watched 5 minutes of the training videos and I'm already able to do that. What can you say? Amazing, huh? Now let's go back to the training area. We are back to the members area and there is a welcome first. It's all based on videos. It's very good. Then you have the software and how to install it or how to use it. They will show it in details much better than I did. I must say that for the price you are paying for this during the launch, only the software would be worth much more than the price you are paying. Then the second part is the training itself. They are professionals and here you will learn a lot about the pricing psychology and how to get higher fees. Follow all these steps and you will become a professional too and get higher fees and close the deals. Finding your pricing sweet spot, what's the prospect time worth, analyzing your competitors, when to raise your prices, should you discount, what's your time worth. This is module 1. Module 2 is about pricing presentation, the pricing magic module, they call it. The attitude is important. The best way to present price preconditioning, building in wiggle room, throwaways you'll need, doing return on investment calculation with prospects, dealing with the price shoppers, of course, key agreement phrases. Then module 3 is when prospect's budget is too low, what should you do? And finally, you will get a wonderful bonus, local fee finder in action and a case study showing you turning leads into customers, a $10,000 client case study and tire kickers. Pretty good training. How much does it cost and what are the upsells? The front end and the pricing training come at a very low price, which is $17. The OTO number 1 is the marketing and sales power pack at $27. And this is do it for you, local marketing, hot sheets, sales letters, service contracts, white papers, etc., etc. That will save you a lot of time and hassle too. There is one downsell. You can choose one of those, the do it for you sales marketing pack or FITD formula. I'm not too sure what it is, at $17. And then the final offer, the OTO or upsell number 2, is down and dirty Facebook advertising course at $17. My conclusions, I spent a lot of time on this. I approve it. And I hope that you watched the long video in its entirety. To me, if you offer services to local clients, investing in this plugin and training is a must at this launch special price. The system is newbie friendly and you can install the plugin on client sites too. So sell it as a service. The license includes developer rights. Use it on unlimited personal and client sites. Yeah, that's cool. I did not review the OTUs, but I would definitely go for the do-it-for-you packages at such a low price. They will save you tons of time and hassle for sure. This is a quick look at the members area, and we saw it before in the video. This package comes with a 60 days, 2 months money back guarantee, so there is absolutely no risk for you. Jump in it, both feet. I hope you liked this long review, and buy via my link and have a lot of fun and success in your local clients prospection. Bye bye. My name is Stef Grandgi.